everybody, welcome again to Guaranty RV. It's a nice sunny day again today, and my name's Teresa.Plett here, and I'd like to show you this beautiful journey by Winnebago 2017 36 foot. Just got this in, it's not going to last very long, so come on inside. Inside you're set up, you're ready to relax after that long drive across the state, and what a beautiful living space. I think that pictures say 1,000 words, and I should just let them speak for themselves, but come on in and I'll try to show you some of the details you might not be able to see. Down here below the television you're going to have a ambient fireplace, and that will also put out heat enough to warm this up on a chilly evening, and or just have the lights, so it's pretty nice looking. You'll notice all the beautiful woodwork in this gorgeous unit. The opposing slides give you a feel of almost a dance floor while you're in here. If you've got company for cocktails, this is the perfect place to enjoy that. You've also got a slide out extra counter space in the kitchen to kind of give you that L-shaped kitchen, and lots of storage. This unit comes with an oven, unusual, also a convection, so that's a nice combination for you. 3-burner cooktop, propane, and these are removable and stowable. You've got a beautiful deep stainless steel double sink, and again lots of deep storage. You can put all kinds of camping equipment and or fine dining. 3-door refrigerator with the bottom freezer. Lots of room, and as you can see, barely used. Coming down the hallway, you've got your information center and your controls for your heating, lighting, and tank levels, etc. Nicely stowed away in a cabinet, not just sticking out on the wall like you see in some units. This one has an unusually large bathroom, which I'm really proud of here. Beautifully appointed with the porcelain toilet, the glass shower doors, just a nice little bathroom. Also across the hall from there, very conveniently located, is your washer and dryer. And this can convert into a large hanging closet if you prefer not to have that. And then you've got privacy doors for your bedroom. Aren't those gorgeous? And those just lock into place while you're driving. Coming inside the master suite, you've got yet another fireplace for ambiance and a 32-inch television as well. Walk around space on this side makes making the bed a bit easier than if it weren't here at all. Just a scooch of a space back there you could slide through, and those mirrors are closets. Take a look at this. This is a closet slide in the bedroom, and if I can get it open, well, let's just see. There we go. Really strong magnets. Lots and lots of hanging space back here. Very strong magnets. Storage around the bed, and you're going to have day-night shades throughout this unit. This will keep the sun soft and you can't see through these, and this will darken your room completely. And you've probably noticed the fan going above my head here just to add a nice ambiance. Let's go outside and take a look at the storage. Alright, these are huge doors, lots of space. And what you've got is a giant slide. This is pass-through storage. What I'm going to do is go around and open the other side so you can get a feel for that. And this is a tray that'll pull out, and I'll be right over there. That is amazing. All right, that's some pretty amazing space. Here you've got a slide out cooler For when you have your picnic going on back here, you don't have to go all the way in the house for that extra beer or pop. Slam latches. Extra storage. Ample space for picnic chairs, etc. This is locking up your battery connections for this 360 diesel engine. And more on this side. Your depth tank and your 50 amp cord. Outside shower and your tank flushes. Your cords can go down through there so you can keep your door shut while you're at a park. Enormous. Very large propane tank. Just a beautifully, beautifully appointed coach, full body paint. This is a gorgeous unit, and I sure hope if you like this, you'll give me a call and I can set an appointment to show it to you soon. Teresa.Plett at Guaranty RV. You can reach me at the information below. Thank you.